Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cake design. First, let's get organized. Having the right tools like a rotating cake stand and an offset spatula makes a huge difference. Next, always ensure your cake is completely cooled. A warm cake will melt your frosting. Finally, prepare a basic buttercream frosting. This versatile frosting is perfect for beginners and provides a smooth canvas for your creative designs. We'll cover the simple steps to achieve a professional look. Now let's get that frosting on smoothly. Start with a thin crumb coat. This seals in any loose crumbs, ensuring a clean finish for your final layer. Apply a generous amount of frosting to the top, then use your offset spatula to spread it evenly, working towards the edges. For perfectly smooth sides, hold a bench scraper at a 90-degree angle against the cake and rotate your stand. This technique creates a professional, polished look with minimal effort. With your cake smoothly frosted, it's time for some easy decorations. A piping bag fitted with a star tip can create beautiful borders or rosettes with just a little practice. For a quick and festive look, simply sprinkle on some colorful edible glitter or sprinkles. If you prefer an elegant, natural aesthetic, arrange fresh berries, citrus slices, or edible flowers on top. These simple additions can transform your cake into a stunning centerpiece without complex techniques. To finish, chill your beautifully decorated cake for at least 30 minutes. This helps the frosting set firmly, making it easier to transport and serve. Before presenting, always clean the cake board thoroughly. A neat board enhances the overall professional appearance of your creation. Remember, the little details make a big difference. And speaking of quality, if you're looking for durable, comfortable socks, check out the Darn Tough link in the description, along with other great deals. Thanks for watching and happy baking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.